Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make Nolen Gurer Payesh, Gurer Payesh, Jaggery Payesh or rice pudding with date palm jaggery. Nolen Gurer Payesh is a very special dish of Bengali people and it is a signature dish of Makar Sankranti celebration, which is also popularly known as Poush Parbon in West Bengal. It is a winter delicacy of Bengali people as fresh date palm jaggery is available in the markets of West Bengal only during winters. It is a very delicious dessert. It has a rustic earthy flavor. This recipe is very simple, but it requires to make a lot of patience. You have to constantly stir it and have to constantly change the flame from low to medium or medium to low according to your need. If you like my today's video, then like it, share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get new updates of my new videos. Now friends, let's see what ingredients are required for making this very special recipe Nolen Gurer Payesh. They are as follows: milk maximum fatty 500 ml, Govindabhog rice 40 to 50 grams but not more than 50 grams, Patali gur or Nolen gur 50 to 80 grams or as per taste, cardamom 2 pieces, bay leaf 1, sugar 1 teaspoon or optional, raisins 20 grams, almond nuts 4 pieces for garnishing, pistachios or pista 5 grams for garnishing, cashew nuts 25 grams. Now let's see the procedure of making Nolen Gurer Payesh or rice pudding with date palm jaggery. Now boil the milk on a pan for 4 minutes. Now add cardamom and bay leaf to it. Boil it and stir it on low to medium flame for 2 minutes. Now add the washed rice to the boiling milk. Please note here, boil and constantly stir it for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice softens. Stir it constantly so that the rice does not stick to the pan and scrape the sides of the pan and stir it. Now the rice is almost cooked, so now lower the flame and add patali gur or date palm jaggery to the milk and stir it for 3 minutes so that the jaggery dissolves in milk completely. Now I am adding sugar 1 teaspoon, but it is optional. It depends whether you like it or not. Lastly, add few cashew nuts and raisins to the milk and stir it for 2 minutes on a low flame. Now see the consistency of the payesh or rice pudding with date palm jaggery. This thick and creamy consistency is required for rice kheer or payesh. Now, Gurer Payesh or rice pudding with date palm jaggery is totally complete. A wonderful, mind-blowing sweet smell is coming out of it. And garnish Nolen Gurer Payesh or rice pudding with date palm jaggery with chopped cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios or pista, and some rose petals. See the way I have garnished it. You can serve it hot, but it is best served when chilled. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my today's video, then like it, share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get new updates of my new videos. So bye for now. I will again come with a new interesting recipe video. Take care and have a nice day.